Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Da kajing temu banrat dingkong, yau kenyang jingpang yang perset ne utau Measles, bat ban Pynbna yau kenyang jingpang yang perset Jerman ne utau Rubella. Ka Sorkar Jylla henne kasngi ka sitarik urisau, kala Pynbna Paidbah ya ka Jingai Tika da ka bapen sedang na ka skol Pynbna School Shillong, ha ka bau Menteri Ketnat Pulih Putih ka Sorkar Jylla, uba lakamen remboi mulai don lang kum kongsan. Ka Sorkar India kalabo ya kathong ban Tika, Measles and Rubella, sya Kawei klor ngot ki hepred ha Baroh kari India ki badan ha pedeng kerta nadu khandai benai hadu khasan snam. Ya ka Jingai Tika ha Baroh ka Jylla Meghalaya la Pynbna henne kasni kasiterek urisau arajakat pra kabanlong nadu haki skol haki hospital Sorkar boper jong ka Sorkar Jylla ban pun orlong ikani kajing temu ba lakmen remboi ula pen smairu yakinang simenta ban pen sapriang yakaji la Paidbah halor kajing Tika kanang ban rat dengkong yau nyang persen pat nyang persen Jerman.
It is a befitting occasion to have it here in the school because for one reason that many of the age group, the major chunk of the age group are those who are in schools. For that reason, there is a combination of an effort put in together by three major departments in the state. That is the health department, which has always taken the lead in this matter, and also the education department, that is for the schools and colleges, as well as the social welfare department. When tomorrow, when we take up the task to go to the communities, when we take up the task to go to some other centers which are run by social welfare department, for example, the Angawadi centers, there lies the task for all of us to see that children which are not covered within the school premises during the vaccination process should also be covered in some other centers like the Angawadi centers, or for example those who are out of school children. So the effort put in by all the three departments would help us in the long run to see that by the end of October we should also stand in the same platform, same level with the rest of the other states. It's a big task, as I said, but nevertheless we should be able to handle it.
So now it is very important to know what is health and what is wealth. Everybody needs wealth, but we cannot get wealth without health. So from the statistic which the Secretary have informed us, that there are 13 lakh children from the age of 9 months till 15 years in the state. That is more than 1/3 of the state population is children. So health of these children is very, very important, because until and unless we have a healthy children, the future of our state will not be that healthy. So management of health is a very, very important. When I am talking about management of health, it's not that simply from the government side. It is in us, how we manage yourself, how we manage our children, how the school mentor the children, the student to get the good health. It is cooperation, it is initiative of both the parent, the administrator, and also the school. So as we come to know that it's a very massive exercise, where in the country 41 crore children will be vaccinated. The same case, out of 125 crore people, we see 1/3 of the population are children. So health of our children, well-being of our children is a very, very important. I'm very happy that the government of India, the government of Meghalaya, in partnership with WHO, UNICEF, has taken upon this massive exercise. We from the education department, we have learned a full support to this program, because we know that the healthy body will have a children with healthy body will have a healthy mind. We want our children to grow as a healthy, not only healthy physically but mentally. Until and unless they have a physical health, it's very difficult for them to have the healthy mind. eliminate measles and control rubella by the year 2020. Towards this purpose, I extend my full support and take a pledge to take a MR vaccine and also do my best so that together we can join hands to eliminate measles and control rubella from Meghalaya. Thank you.